This is a video of my neighborhood. You can see it's sunny out. I'm doing some dodging because there's a swarm of gnats here. The one to the left is my townhome, and I've got neighbors all over the place. These are townhomes. I think the gnats are following me. They're connected one to another. Just walking down the sidewalk here to the street, and we'll go from there. We'll see how this works. This is Friendswood, Texas, and it is October 8th or 9th or 10th, 8th through 7th or 8th. And this is the street. It's called Victoria Way. There is not much traffic. There's only one way in and one way out.